by cascading additional switches. As many as 256 computers can be controlled from a single keyboard monitor mouse console. One 8-port KVM switch is integrated in the 1U console. Standard VGA connector. Connect to a server or computer via a standard VGA connector. Full-size 99 keys keyboard with integrated number pad and touchpad. 17-inch LCD monitor with highlight, high definition and high resolution. Resolution is up to 1280 by 1024 pixels at 75 Hz. Convenient computer switching via front panel LEDs, OSD menu and mouse. Press the scroll lock key, or double-click the mouse to switching via OSD menu. Auto scan feature for monitoring user-selected computer. Broadcast mode. Operation simultaneously performed on all selected computers. Hot pluggable. Add or remove computers without having to power down the switch. Quickly select your computer by naming the server or inputting SN number of the server. On-screen display, OSD, adjustments. Adjust the on-screen image, including auto adjust, exit, power on-off, brightness, menu, and a power indicator. 2-level password security. Only authorized users can view and control computers. Up to 4 users and an administrator with a separate profile for each. Compatible with Windows, Sun, Unix and Linux servers and systems. Supports server from Lenovo, Huawei, HP, IBM, Cisco and Dell, etc.